Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a bootable operating system onto a flash drive. So what you're going to need for this is a bootable operating system, obviously, and a flash drive. Who would have guessed, right? So what you're going to need first is some form of bootable operating system. Linux works best. I think you can use some other stuff, but I'm just going to go with Linux for this tutorial. I may do a Windows one at some point if you're going to do a fresh install, whatever, but just go to Google. Google. And then just search for whatever you want. Ubuntu. I'm going to search for Backtrack. Link in the description, but it's backtrack/-linux.org. It's really cool. It's for like penetration testing and stuff. So go ahead and go to your downloads page, and it's Backtrack revision 3. You can just download it, and then you just get your release, version 3, GNOME, 64-bit, ISO, director torrent, and then you're just going to download it. Once you get it downloaded, go ahead and save it to your desktop or somewhere else. I already do, because it's probably a 2 or 3 gig file, I think. I downloaded it a while ago. But anyways, now you want to go to linuxliveusb.com, and this is a really cool program, and it lets you install almost any Linux distro onto a USB flash drive. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and download it. Let's see, it is right here. It says you have to have admin privileges, which most of y'all do, I think. So it's 4.5 megabytes, not that big of a deal. But it installs on your PC, which is really nice for some people. Some people don't like that. I like it because if I have to use it again, I have to go search my PC for this one executable. But this thing actually installs. So it has a step-by-step, but I'm going to show you here. So it's downloading. It says it's done, but I don't think it is. I'll be right back when it really is. Okay guys, so it finished and it's going to install. So you can close out your web browser now, and I'm going to install in English. Next, where you want it installed at, go to install it, and this shouldn't take too long. Yeah, this is going to finish pretty quickly, I think. So next, and go ahead and have it run. Okay, that's good. And I have seen this program take a while to initialize before, but I don't think it's going to take that long, which is nice. Alright, so it's got this nice interface, nice and clean, which I like. And I have a flash drive plugged in over here. Let me see what drive it is. So if you don't know, you're going to go to computer, and I got a removable disk over here. Just a second, I'm going to see what's on it. I'll be right back. Okay, so it actually wasn't plugged in correctly, but I've already have another distro on this, and I use this program quite frequently. So I'm going to show you how to format it to get it completely clean. So right click on your drive, make sure you get all the stuff off of this because this will erase it. Click on format, and then it's going to give you the capacity, probably FAT32, unless, because I don't think NTFS works, and that's about all you want. Leave everything, just do a quick format, you don't need a full one. Quick is clean enough. Finish just saying it'll erase everything. Click OK. And format complete. Okay. Close that out. Close that out, and you can see we have a blank drive now. So let's let's find our drive, G FAT32, right here. And we have a ISO image. And it is on my desktop. Somewhere, yep, right here. And this will take a little bit to check this file. Okay, it's almost done, and 100%. Alright, it says its integrity was checked, which is really nice, so you're not booting off a corrupted file, and it recognizes it automatically. This is a really cool program. So, persistence, you don't need that. That's for live mode if you're going to transfer files. If you don't know what it is, you don't really need it. So, we don't need to format it, because it's already been formatted. Don't need to hide it, and that's fine, we can leave that. And we've got everything done, so we just click on this lightning bolt, and then it'll just run through everything. And then it's going to go through, it's going to copy all the files from the ISO onto the drive. And you see it says 5 to 10 minutes, so this part could take a while, but really it's not that big of a deal. The last time I did it, it took like 3 or 4 minutes, so don't even, they're kind of over exaggerating on that part. But after this is done, what you're going to do is just unplug your drive, or flash drive, yeah, and plug it into the PC you're going to use, and then you'll just, I get these every single time I make a video. No. So weird. But anyways, so I was saying, you're just going to plug your drive into a PC, and then you'll just keep pressing the F2 or F12 or whatever it is, and then you'll boot into your BIOS, and there should be an option where it says boot through USB device or something. Just click on that. It'll go ahead and boot up to that OS or whatever ISO you've chosen. And it's at 3% right now, but you know, my PC is kind of slow right now. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to wait for this to finish before I finish the video. But thanks for watching, guys.